Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the simple process of applying for an e-passport in Bangladesh, all from the comfort of your home. With the new e-passport portal, you can complete most of the steps online, saving both time and effort. Whether you're applying for the first time or renewing, this guide will help you understand each step, from registration to final submission at the passport office. Let's get started and make your e-passport journey smooth and hassle-free. First step is registration. Visit the official e-passport website at www.epassport.gov.bd. Here, you'll need to create an account using your name, email address, and phone number. This account will be your gateway to the entire application process. Make sure to use accurate information, as you'll receive important updates and notifications through these contact details. Once your account is set up, you're ready to move on to the next step. After registration, it's time to fill out the application form. Click on Apply for New e-passport and carefully enter your personal details, including your national ID, NID, and current address. Double-check all information for accuracy, as any mistakes can delay your application. The form is straightforward, but take your time to ensure everything matches your official documents. Once completed, you're ready to proceed to the payment stage. Next comes the payment. On the portal, select the payment option and choose your preferred method: debit card, credit card, or mobile banking. The system is secure and supports various payment channels, making it convenient for everyone. Once you've paid the fee, you'll receive a confirmation. Keep this confirmation safe, as you'll need it for the next steps. With your payment complete, you're almost done with the online part of the process. After payment, you'll need to print two important documents: the summary page and the appointment copy. These documents are generated on the portal once your application and payment are complete. Print them out and keep them ready, as you'll need to present them at the passport office. These papers serve as proof of your application and appointment, so make sure they are clear and legible. Now it's time to visit the passport office at your scheduled appointment. Bring all required original documents, including your NID, previous passport, if renewing, or birth certificate. At the office, you'll complete the biometric process, which includes taking your photo, fingerprint, and an eye scan. This step is essential for verifying your identity and finalizing your application. Arrive on time and follow the instructions provided by the staff. Let's review the documents you'll need. Your national ID, NID, is a must for most applicants. If you're under 18 or don't have an NID, bring your online birth registration certificate. For renewals, your previous passport is required. In some cases, you may also need to provide professional identification. Having these documents ready will ensure a smooth process at the passport office. Special tip: when filling out your application, carefully select the passport office closest to your current address. This is important because you'll need to collect your passport from this location. Double-check your address and office selection to avoid any inconvenience later on. This small step can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Applying for an e-passport is now easier than ever thanks to the online portal. By following these steps, registering, filling out the form, paying the fee, printing documents, and visiting the office, you can complete your application smoothly. Remember to keep all your documents organized and double-check every detail. With a little preparation, you'll have your e-passport in hand in no time. Safe travels and best of luck.